I am so late. Ooh, fresh bread? Sounds pretty good. She shoots. She scores. She toasts. Have fun in there.
Who was that?
Get ready, it's time!
Yeah, that's right. Give me that char, baby.
Nice work, bro.
And that's how it's done.
Hey, it's ready. And super hot. Ugh, too toasty. Oh, I know, right? I was like, where's your car, right? Oh, I got Oreos.
Oh, nice! Can I?
Aren't they the best? Oh, what you doing there?
It's the only way to eat them.
Is it? Ugh. My turn. But I need some milk. Yes?
The time has come. I'm going in. Let's go. A nice big glass. Whoa!
Make yourself at home, Cookie. Let's get milky.
Wait, what's going on?
Just relax, okay? Enjoy the lactose.
So much lactose.
Oh, my cookie. Oops. It's nice and milky now. Just look.
Phew. That was something else. Phew.
It's a good one. Yummy. Oh, good. They're here. Oh.
Happy birthday!
Aw, thanks! Yay!
For you.
Look over there.
I got this!
Oh, whoa.
Yeah! Come and get me. Ow! Not cool.
You're so strong. Let me try.
All right, here.
Whoa, awesome.
Get it!
Yeah.
Oh, geez, not so hard.
Nailed it.
Get the candy. Yes! Best birthday ever! Shall we?
Ooh, looks good.
I won't surrender!
And when you carry the two, you must remember one thing. Anybody?
Who cares?
Not me.
Oh! Come here, I have an idea!
No way! Amazing! Alrighty, I've got the tablecloth. Pretty, right?
I've got the plate and utensils.
And the star of the show.
Okay, you wanna go fruity? Or shall we go chocolatey? Pick one. Oh, tough choice you got there. Choices, choices. She's pretty cute. I like what I see. Apricot it is.
Well?
Pick!
I don't know. The fruity one.
Oh, yeah. Good choice. Hello, is this it? What? It's my time to shine. Hello, world. Watch and be amazed. Wow, looking good. Come here, sweet thing. We belong together. You sure about that? Get me out of here!
Just look at that beauty.
Yeah, baby.
Ooh, it smells amazing in here. Wow. Hey, Mom. What's up?
Oh, Ruby AI, you're home! Hungry?
Okay, looks delicious. Whoa, it's a little messy though. Ugh, how do I eat it? It's everywhere. Gross.
Wait a minute. I have an idea.
Oh yeah?
Maybe use a fork this time. But roll it up like pasta. See? Then fold it this way. Nifty, huh?
Ooh, give me. I'm ready for action.
Oh boy, here we go. Come on, hang on tight.
Wow, look at this thing.
Oh, just try it.
Challenge accepted. Yummers?
Good, huh? Tastes even better with tea. Piping hot too. Just the way you like it. Do you want some tea, sweetie?
Tea? Definitely. Ooh, nice and hot. Cheers? Ugh, my taste buds. That's enough for me. Blah, just a bit strong. Thank you. Phew, that was sufficiently awkward. I'm finally alone, which means only one thing. Soda time, way better than bitter tea. I am ready for bubbles, baby. Perfect. Just one more. Cheers to me.
Whoa! She's really thirsty. Is she even breathing?
Second soda down. Make that 5. Whew. Ugh. Fantastic. Phew, what a rush. Phone time. What time is it? Wait.
Empty cans, we're empty cans. We're just doing what we can.
Was it a dream? Did my soda cans come to life? Oh, just my imagination then? So crazy, silly me. What an imagination, huh? Let me think. No soda this time. I'm in a milk kind of mood.
Me too!
Fill her up, dear.
Yeah! Milk me! Come on!
You want me? They're very intense. Come on.
Whoa. Okay, hold on. I think there's just a bit left.
That's it? Really?
Give me a break. Oh, typical. Hold on. Yep, that's all of it. Phew. Come on, honey. What's taking so long?
Stop. Just let me think. I got this. Well, we got this. You can sit here. And now we pour. It's raining milk, people. I call it the 4-for-1 special.
This is great! Milk for everybody!
Happy now? Cheers, guys.
Oh, gimme.
Bottoms up, sis!
What's up, Mom? I'm feeling something in here.
You're hungry? How about this? Yeah?
A hot dog? I'll take it. But it could use a little upgrade. Let's get slicing, shall we?
Ah! Don't!
Ooh, maybe not. But pasta? Now we're talking. You can stick them right in. See? Cool hairdo, right? I love it.
So I'm blonde now? Gross.
Time for a little heat. Now get in there. Ooh, looking good, Miss Hot Dog. And those locks?
Now this is more like it.
Nice. Can't forget the ketchup. Oh yeah, make it rain! I can't wait one more second.
Man, I love a good glow-up. I feel like a star.
Finally, it's time to eat.
Like and subscribe for more great videos.
Ooh, this feels so good. It's so soft and squishy. I could never get bored of this. You and me both. Oh yeah, that's the spot. It's so relaxing. I can feel my tension melt away. Don't stop. You can work miracles with those hands. Ugh! I want to give it one big squeeze! Come on! Give me what I want! I didn't sign up for this. Stop! Please! Oh no! What have I done? I went too hard! I'm a monster! So the cake is almost ready. We just need to finish decorating it. You can't go wrong with cream. Just layer it on. The more the better, I say. And a little treat for the chef. I know, it looks wonderful. But I'm not done yet. I have something extra special. I'm gonna top it with these cookies. They're so delicious. Aw, you're too kind. I could eat you right now. You say the nicest things. But I've gotta resist. It can go right here. This must be my lucky day. It's so yummy. Well, there goes the diet. It's the little things that really make a difference. Lady, I don't know how to thank you. I'm in sweet creamy heaven right now. It looks good, but let's see how it tastes. I can't wait to try it. Oh wow, I'm a genius. Wait, what's that aftertaste? Uh-oh, I don't feel so good. This is bad. This is bad. I'm in so much pain right now. Make it stop. Phew. It's over. What a relief. No. Don't even think about it. You look nice and soft. Please, let's talk about this. You're mine. I don't want to miss anything. Ooh! The horror! The horror! What a cruel world. That was delicious. Oh, I can sit here. That was lucky. I love a juicy hot dog. It looks good. But something's missing. And I know what. You gotta have ketchup with your hot dog. They just go together. I'll give it a squeeze. I'm not leaving! You can't make me! Maybe if I shake it. Hey! Do you mind? What is wrong with this thing? This is getting annoying, you know? How would you like it if I shook you around? Hello? Is anyone in there? I think I see something. Get out here! Right now! Never! This is my home! I think I'm gonna throw up! Hey, I'm starting to take this personally. Is it over? That's it. No! Are you kidding me? It got me! I smell like a tomato! This is not a good look. But on the positive side, at least my hot dog has its ketchup. What a beautiful day. Gotta work on the tan when I have the chance. I'll be golden brown in no time. Ah, this is the life. It's so nice to be out. Whoa! Ugh, my lace is undone. Give me a second. Hey, watch where you're pointing that thing. No! That was a close call. I better tie it. We don't want any accidents. I have an idea. Let's shoot a video. Come on, Sunny. It'll be fun. Oh, okay. Remember, just like we practiced. That's it! Woohoo! Let's see how it looks. I think we nailed it that time. Wow, we're looking good. Hang on. What is that? Is that poop? No! It can't be! Get it off me! Get it off me! And I thought this was gonna be a relaxing day. Life comes at you pretty fast, huh? Where is it? Where is it? Why does this always happen to you? It's not funny. But it's not a big deal. What? I can fix this. Sunny, we're in public. Hide your shame. Relax, it's all under control. Are you really gonna do this? I guess I am. Come on, let's go. Ah, what a beautiful day. I feel so free. What did I just watch? Oh, hey, wait for me!
Like and subscribe for more great videos.
Delicious. Lime? Tongue check.
Oh yeah, this is nice. It's like a St. Patrick's Day party in here.
Yes, a pink one. My fave. Yum.
Whoa, a real mouth? Yep, we made it. Why is everything moving? Oh no!
Gulp. Check this thing out. I could eat 1,000,000 of these.
Oh yeah, chip me, baby. Pink mustard? Hey, I'll try anything once. Wait a minute. Since we're dealing with pink, why not stay on theme here? Let's do it, Barbie. Hang on.
Huh? Phew.
It's mayo time.
Oh! I don't feel so good. Yep, here it comes.
Whoa, this is awesome. Kinda gross and super delicious.
Yikes! Something's wrong.
Huh? It's stuck. Come on. Get out. You're not done here. I know what's in there.
All clear.
Aw, anything for you.
Thank you. So much better.
It's a great trick. Back to work. There you go. Thanks, Barbie. Let the dipping begin. Behold, the perfect bite. That hits the spot.
Phew. See you next time.
Ow! These chips always get in my teeth. I gotta get it out. Toothpick, please. Thanks. Ugh, where is it? No! This is even worse. May I have another? Thanks.
Did someone call for a toothpick?
This thing is deep. Ugh, not again. These things are weak. Ugh. Let's try this again. Hello?
I'm trying here.
It must be jammed. Just give me another one.
Ugh.
Oh, there it is.
That was intense. Anyway, I could get some water. I'm exhausted.
25. Anything? Come on. Feel the burn.
Whoa! That was rude.
Phew. Hey! My hair! Why is it stuck? Oh no.
That's right, I'm still here.
Oh, come on. Let go!
Never! Hey, stop that!
There!
No! Why?
Phew, that was close. Ew.
My life is over.
Yikes. I know how to get it off. Come on.
What are you doing to me?
This ought to do it. Let's get you out of here.
Ugh!
Ew, nasty. Definitely time for a fresh piece. Ooh, I want a big one. I'd better finish my reps. Oh yeah. Oh no. Maybe I can just… come on. Okay, I got this. Phew.
Whoa! Oh, that'll leave a mark. Yowza!
Okay, I'm finally in. That didn't sound very good. Doesn't look good either. Good thing I bought this gizmo. My walls will thank me. Just slide it right over the handle.
Oh, so nice.
The perfect fit.
I'd say so. I feel wild. And free. It's a whole new me. Am I fabulous or what?
Time for a test drive.
Oh yeah? Let's do this thing.
It totally works. See?
So bouncy.
What a game changer. Yay!
Wow, am I hot or what? I could do this all day.
Awesome! Like and subscribe for more great videos.
What? You're not gonna share your snacks? Nope. They're all mine. Whee! That was fun! But now to get comfy. Hey! Are you okay? Spit it out! Knock it off! I'm nice and cozy in here. I said stop! Oh no! Looks like I'm being evicted. Phew. That was a close one. I've worked so hard to be here. Oh, my diploma! Mom, look! I did it! I see you, darling. I'm so proud. Oh, wait. What is that? Lily, in your teeth. Huh? Yay! It's me! Lettuce! Thanks for all your support! In your teeth! Oh no! Ah! How embarrassing! Excuse me. This is my limelight? Ow! Go away! No more photos! That's right. I'm here to stay.